Suckling Peak.
Sneaker Street Tour. Tired na. Of course. It's okay. Guys, we're here in Hong Kong. Here in Hong Kong because it's Mama's birthday. Pa-birthday namin sa kanya. We're going to ride a bus. Strain daming lakad. So, bus na lang. Para point to point lang. And wala na pala yung octopus card. Kasi before, yung octopus card, diba, nandun lang sa may, dito sa may train, tsaka sa may Crystal Jade. So now, wala na. Parang tourist card na lang. But, meron siyang 40 HKD yung fee ng card. So, parang medyo mahal. So, we're gonna buy octopus card na lang sa Mayamate.
Okay, so we're heading to the bus stop, yung bus terminus. And we're riding the A21 bus to City. Ha? Bus tickets meron ba? Yeah. Kasi pwede naman to pay na directly dun sa ride, sa bus driver. Okay, if nag-accept ng cash. Ayan, may tao.
We're going to ride A21 bus, guys. And my time yun. So, wag kayong chill-chill. Unlike us.
Okay, let's go outside while waiting for the food. So, we're here sa Yaomate border ng Mongkok area. As in, magkatabi lang sila. It's only 10:38 right now. Suckling Pig, crispy pork,
Lechon Macau.
roast goose,
And my Milo.
iced milk tea, Hong Kong style milk tea, and Ovaltine. Milo, ano yung bangko?
Mongkok, guys, sa street, sa Sneaker Street. We just had our brunch. And Sneaker Street na agad. Kaya pangit. Malagkit, no? Sumaga pa, guys. Kaya hindi pa siya masyadong ano. Later we'll go here again. Night market. Ah, mami.
Ito, pizza na. Huwag ka na yun ah. You choose taluman na yun. 3 for
Ayan. Nabudol na si mama.
3 pieces. 3 pieces.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ikaw na nagbayad.
Kasi 140 lang.
Yeah. Just for 99 ah. Tapos yung kanina yung 3 for 100. 700.
First budol of the day. Mama. Nabudol. So we're here na sa Sneaker
So parang yung pang-apat
Street.
naging 50%.
Ay, mama. Okay, well, ano? Kasi 58 lang.
Maybe that's the cologne, not the perfume. Or it's 30 ml.
Oo. Yung malaki, 108. Ma! Oo, ito 108 lang. Elizabeth Arden. 58 yung mas... Alam mo naman. Hours sa Hong Kong. The damage has been done.
Ito, effective to yung mga crest na yan.
Yeah, and we're gonna try this because this is mahal. 14 days. Yung nabili ko sa Taiwan, 3 days lang. Effective siya, guys.
Para lang.
Here at Yubai. This one's too cute, guys. Puma, guys. Ay, dito yung ganyan. Gusto ko yan. Bago nila yan. Hi. But I want this, oh. This one, oh. Ito, guys. Di ba yun yung bago? H Street.
H3.
And may Mostro. Maupo ka muna here. And then there's Mostro. Oh, there's Mostro. Oh. Ah, nice. Can I see? How much?
Pero may ka-collaborate to eh.
Okay. Tour. Hotel East to, guys. Yan, 3 single beds. 1 full body mirror. Uy, buti may full body mirror. Ha? Ika-crop ko yung sinasabi ko. Yan. Bathroom. Spacious yung bathroom. Yan. And this is only for how much? 18.9 for 3 nights. Yan o, may view pa. And another mirror pala. Nasa 27th floor tayo. So, nag-nap lang kami na 1 hour. Now, we're going to TST. We're gonna take a bus.
So we just got off the bus number 6 from Yamate to TST. Ito na, babe. Sige, videohan ko na daw. I'll show you na. This is the Hong Kong Cultural Center. And then, sa harap niya, yung harbor na, yung Avenue of Stars. Then, walk ka lang dyan. Andyan na yung K11 na mall. During the day, dito yung nice mag-OOTD picture. Yes, but if you can see, yan yung mga aesthetic na yan, yung mga tiles nila. And yung mga pillars nung building, nakaslant siya. Baka hindi na kayo makahintay, i-zoom ko na. That's it. Straight lang. Ganda.
So, yan yung light show, guys. Hinantay namin. Pero it's disappointing. Nakaka-disappoint. So, nag-walk na kami kasi parang wala. Wala kang marinig. Tapos wala din masyadong light. Hindi siya... The light show is not giving. Now, we're on our way to Central. Mag-ferry kami. Papuntang Central para mas... Mabilis ba? Hindi naman. We'll try lang. We'll try mag-ferry. And doon na rin kami mag-eat.
Kasi
Yan,
parang
oh.
mag-swimming ka lang.
Diba? There's no sound. So lang lights. Oh, yun ma. Ah, yun ata na yun. Tapos yun na yung background sound. So, basta simple lang siya. Yun na yung light show ma. Hindi siya mukhang light show. Parang nagla-lights na. Oo nga, dito pala lumayo pa tayo. So yun, we're going na to Central. Ah, ayun yung viewing deck. Lumayo pa din yung viewing deck.
Puno na yun. Tingnan mo, kanina pa yan
Yun pala yung viewing deck. I'm gonna zoom. Ay, teka. Yun. Yun. Yun yung viewing deck, guys. And yan yung light show.
Yung music kasi it's not coming from the other side, it's coming from this side.
Yeah.
Kasi if it's gonna come from the other side,
So there. So we're
how are you
gonna...
even gonna hear it?
So we're going to Central na. And we're taking a ferry. Para wala lang, try lang namin. The crying is gonna be real. Ah, okay. Do you know there's a car camera? Okay, it's a stop.
Alright. Tara, habulin natin yung octopus. Okay, this way. So we already have octopus cards. Dito tayo. Hindi nga pala siya automatic, Tish.
Ayun ma. Tataka ko sa'yo lagi. Ah,
Sige, tita. Pasok.
papasok na.
Yeah. No, wala lang. Siyempre, ang sanay ako sa train. Diba? No?
Nasa train ko. Kasi yung nag-open.
Yun. Go, Tish. Diyan na, para malapit tayo sa side. Saan you going?
Central. Central. Nakakahilo. Like it. Like fairies. Pagod na. Babalas dito guys. I don't know. So, I think mag-trainer bus na lang. But for the XP, why not? Pala kami banda sa IFC. Yan. IFC na yan. Ayun. Walas girl, grabe. Anyway, magmamall na kami. Kasi vitamins si mama. Parang tired na kasi siya. Vitamins. Sarap guys. Sobrang init dito ngayon. It's just, thank you naman kasi it's not raining. Pero sobrang init. Like as in, ang lagkit. Ayun o, there's directory oh. Ooh, as in, so hot. Ang init, kaya kakain na lang kami dito sa IFC Mall. We're going to eat sa Crystal Jade. I'm gonna try that. Try it when you're here. Ang sarap sa Crystal Jade. Yun na-try namin yung nasa airport. Apple store. Malaking Apple store, guys. So, naikot na namin yung buong, dun lang pala siya sa other side. Sobrang near lang, no? Kung nasan kami kanina. Namali lang kami ng liko. So, yun. At least naikot. Silver lining. Yan. So, we're here na. Yan siya.
Is it still open?
Yeah, I think it's still open. Thank you. Doon ka na sa couch, ma. Out. Walang available. Sige, I'm gonna sit there. Xiaolongbao. OMG.
This one is gonna picture. Coconut water with coconut milk, lemon, and water chestnut coffee.
Okay, sige.
Diba?
We'll order that. Okay. Yun na lang daw yung kay mama, yung coconut. Turo mo na lang sa TikTok.
Ay, asan tita? One
We'll add.
one drink, this one. It's Santi.
Yung coconut na yun.
This one coconut one.
Thank you. Okay na, ikaw hindi ka magdi-drink?
Hindi ko naman trip yung mga... Hindi naman ito siya kadikit. Siya lang ba?
Pork belly and cucumber. No?
Very good.
Very good.
Thank you.
Maybe 3,000.
How much?
3,000.
So, pork belly and, ano yan? Pork belly and cucumber.
No, it's not, hindi siya raw. Parang siyang yung
Cold?
mga ham. Parang
Ah, yeah. Parang siyang cold cuts. And yung
says something at
Wonton. 3,000 HKD daw. Ayan. May spoon ka na kasi.
No.
Hindi, para siyang malamig na.
Para po siyang yung mga...
cut. Then tell me if it's good. Kasi may cucumber. Feeling ko masarap.
Para siyang yung steam na pork.
Mas marami, no? Sarap.
Luto siya. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. We ordered.
Gusto ko tita and
And
peanut.
then mama ordered
Chicken ba ito?
mama coconut.
Yes, good guys. Para lang yung paminta na anghang. Ganun lang. Diba? Parang chili, chili sauce?
Oh, parang sweet chili tita. Yun, tama. Sweet chili, sweet spicy.
Mogu
Ito pala, may serving naman pala ito. Isa go na lang.
And ito pala yung order ni mama.
Ganun. Parang pork and beans yung lasa.
Chicken. Parang kumpaw chicken. Ma, wala pa yung rice mo.
Hindi sila masusungit kasi nga.
Kasi mahal dito, be.
Yeah, kasi nasa...
Okay. Thank you. Just the rice na lang.
May food panda sila.
Pork na. Iba pa yung beef yung parang lumpia yun. Braised pork ribs. May noodles inside. Are rice noodles. May noodles na. May noodles. Pahabol order, guys. Meal reveal.
Dish here? Or you gonna get something from... So, mas di mo na-feel pag nasa ilalim ka naglalakad kasi ang focus mo lang dito is to get to the
Yeah. Guys, I take it back. Nakapagod pala mag-train. Papuntang Central. I mean, from Central pa uwi sobra. So,
8 minutes lang.
yun. Bahala na kayo kung paano gusto nyo. Train, bus, or ferry. Pero mas ano siguro bus. Di ba, babe? Kasi
However,
point
you
to
need to
point.
walk din.
Ay, oo,
Going
same
to the
lang.
bus stop.
So, mag-taxi na lang kayo kung ayaw nyo mag-walk.
Sa Japan, ano? Oh, Tish.
Ano ba yun? We're here in 7-Eleven, guys. We're buying water.
Wait lang po. Sa inyo to, di ba, data?
7-Eleven run.
Hawakan mo lang na.
Wala yung vitamin C.
Ayun dyan siguro.
Ano bang want ni Mama? Oh, masarap yan, guys. Here dito tayo sa low fat. Small lang. Masarap.
Di ba lahat sila tipsy? We're going there. Mongkok. Here sa Portland. Yan yung mga
Hindi
neon,
kami sa neon lights.
neon
Picture.
lights. Yung mga natitira pa kasi, di ba?
done with our shots. Shots. Okay, dito sa nabook namin. Sa Agoda ba to? Sa Klook. Sa Klook. Hotel Ease. Hotel Ease. Super daming food. As in, lahat. Every corner. Every, puro food. And authentic. Like this. Yan. Buong stretch yan. Hanggang doon. Tapos, magkabila ang street pa. Mga roasted pork belly, duck, goose, suckling pig, as in, tas mga noodles. So, okay siya. Tapos, like, 10 steps away lang. 10 steps, ang OA pala nun. Mga 20. Train station. So, super okay yung Hotel Ease. And affordable siya, ha. Ang ganda niya. Diba? Hi guys, so it's our second day. And we're going to... Ay, tumutulog.